Hello guys. In this video I am going to teach you how to install Ubuntu in Mac OS. To download Ubuntu in UTM, please see the full video process. Let's visit Ubuntu's website and click on Download Ubuntu Desktop version for fast installation. Because it is a fast process, many people choose server version to download, but desktop version is faster for installation. For Mac M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 choose ARM version, and for Intel Mac users choose Intel 1. According to my device I will install ARM version by clicking Download button. Now let's download UTM by visiting UTM website, or you can download from App Store as well. Let's open the UTM DMG file. Now drag UTM to the applications. And now go to Applications and open the UTM app. Now when UTM app is open, click on Create a new virtual machine. And click on Virtualize and click on Linux. For choosing hardware's RAM and GPU core, visit Settings and click on About and scroll down. You will find System Record. You will find your memory known as RAM and cores as well. According to that, do the same in the UTM hardware section. And also enable OpenGL hardware acceleration. Now enable Apple virtualization and select Browse and choose your Ubuntu ISO file and click Continue. And for storage I am choosing 40 GB. You can choose your custom GB for here and click Continue. Again click on Continue. And now check the details you have filled. If everything is good, click now on Save. Now click on Play button so Ubuntu installation page launches from ISO file. Now press Return or Enter button on your keyboard to install Ubuntu. After clicking you will see Ubuntu booting. Now when Ubuntu boot finishes you will see this interface. Now choose your desired language. For me it is English and I am clicking Next. Again click on 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 Next. Now choose Extended Selection for offline use and click Next. Now select both options and click Next. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. Now create username and password and click on Next. Now select your location and time zone and click on Next. Now click on Install. The installation will have around 20 to 30 minutes based on your device. Now when the installation is completed, click on Restart. You will see same like this interface. When installation is completed, open UTM app and find CD, DVD and clear the ISO file by clicking Clear. After clearing, redirect to the Ubuntu. Again click on Next. Select your desired option and click on Next. Click Finish. In this way installation is completed. Thank you for watching the video.